Hello everybody, we are Josef and Ulli and we are happy to welcome you here in Engelberg. Later we want to show you our farm, but first we will take you with us on a little carriage ride around Engelberg. Come on! At the moment we keep 20 cows for milk, and during the winter time all our animals live in this farmhouse. For the mountain area it is a little bit special. All farmers send the cows on holiday in the middle of May. That means we move our cows to a farm up in the mountain. Up in the mountains, our cows stay always outside, day and night, and we milk them twice a day, in the morning and at night. That is the same like here at home. But up in the mountain, we bring the milk straight to a little cheese factory up there, and in this cheese factory we produce 17 different kinds of cheese. During winter, we milk the cows twice a day too. But the difference is we bring the milk straight to the monastery. The monastery was founded 1120. And so since more than 900 years, the monks live here in Engelberg and they have a lot of business. Also a cheese factory. And we are really proud that we can bring the milk to the cheese factory in the monastery. 20 sheep live here, of course our horses, and we keep also 2 goats.
Did you enjoy our little tour? Then come to Switzerland and see this magic and feel the spirit. We are happy to say welcome and we are happy to enjoy with you a good time. Bye bye.
Bye.